Hi everyone, my name is Megan Slynn and I'm with IQmetrics. Today I want to discuss with you a few key areas if you're in the repair industry of what you need to think about to stay competitive. In 2017 alone, there was a 5.5% growth rate according to the IBIS World Report. And it's only going to continue to grow, which means more and more competitors are going to be entering this segment. So today I want to share with you 5 key areas to think about with your current POS, or if you're looking for a new one, that you might want to address before you switch so that you can stay competitive and continue to grow. First is a centralized tracking and diagnostics tool. A manual process for tracking repairs is time-consuming and error-prone. Having one integrated in the system allows that you don't have to worry about those errors. Your employees can speed up the process, creating a better customer experience. All while having an integrated diagnostic tool also means that the phone is being diagnosed both at the start and end of the repair to ensure that what needs to be fixed is being fixed. Second is having a system that allows for cross-selling and upselling capabilities. Having things like upgrades or such add-ons as accessories will only help your bottom line. So having a solution that offers endless aisle or dropship capabilities in one system is going to help make sure that that's a seamless process. Also, having things like an integrated partner for buybacks allows you to add to that bottom line and offerings to your customers. The third area you want to look at is the supply chain operations with partner integrations. With the inventory being such a backbone in the repair industry, you really want to make sure that you have someone who offers a VMI or a vendor managed inventory offering. This will help you to speed up the inventory process, reduce errors, and also help with inventory forecasting. And don't forget, you need the ability to see inventory across all locations to help with proper stock balancing. Next is the need to access real-time reporting. Having reports that are easy to read and in real time helps to make sure that your employees are more engaged in their jobs, which leads to better customer experiences, which will lead to better reviews and loyal customers. Having in-depth real-time reporting can help you make company decisions, such as whether or not to eliminate a product, when you need to staff your store for peak hours, and more. And having these reporting capabilities built into your system allows you to make the decisions and not spend time taking information to build your own reports. And lastly is having an online presence. The first thing a customer does when they break their phone is Google repair. So having a website that shows store hours, locations, and what you repair is a must. But take it a step further and have something as an appointment scheduler so that your potential customers can easily book an appointment online and then it comes directly into your store. This also helps to allow you to staff your stores appropriately to ensure that you're getting the best customer experience with those repairs. The cell phone repair industry is growing and it's not going to stop. Today we've discussed 5 areas to think about if you're in the market for a new point of sale or things you want to add to yours. But if you'd like to get more information, please feel free to reach out to us or follow the link below to download the full white paper on these areas. Have a great day.